Passion fruit should never be planted from seeds. Otherwise, you need to. It took 13 days to germinate. Drill out of the soil. The two cotyledons expand first. Its function is to prepare the seeds for germination. Provide nutrients. Day 20. Passion fruit needles start popping out. It is the true leaf of the plant. Its function is to absorb light energy, perform photosynthesis. That empowers carbon dioxide and water in order to be exposed to more light. He will try to make the plant as tall as possible. Make the leaves bigger. If you look closely at the leaves of passion fruit, you will also find that at the beginning of the seedling period, the leaves are single. When you grow up, the leaves will split into 3. I have to. The plant kingdom is also amazing. As time goes by, passion fruit has entered a period of rapid growth. More lateral vines grow like crazy. But 100 days have passed. It hasn't blossomed yet. It's better to change the way. Teach you 130 days. Eat your own passion fruit in potted plants at home. Simple operation. Fail as soon as you learn. So let's start with this. We went to our neighbor's house and cut off a few passion fruit branches. Take it home for cuttings. Cut off the branches one by one. Keep 1 leaf per section. Ye bud point. Cut off most of the leaves of each section. Reduced transpiration. Bevel at the bottom of the branch. Increase water absorption area. Put them in water for rooting. After the white root system grows, then insert it into the flower pot to raise the seedlings. Of course, if it's too troublesome, you can also buy seedlings directly. Prepare an old bucket as a container for potting plants. The bottom of the bucket needs some small holes. Prevent stagnant water from causing compost roots to rot. The soil is 5 parts original Tujia, 2 sheep manure, 2 servings of coconut bran, 1 rice husk. Simple nutrition. Soil handle prepared passion fruit seedlings. Take it backwards like this. Transplant the soil and roots into the middle of the barrel. Just plant 1 in a bucket. After planting, the first watering should water all the soil thoroughly. Passion fruit is a climbing vine. We need to build him a simple shelf to climb. Find 2 wooden strips and insert them vertically into the edge of the barrel. Fix another wooden strip horizontally between them. Then take the rope, twined between 2 vertical wooden slats. I feel that the shelf is a little weak. Just fix the 2 wooden strips horizontally. This kind of shelf is also suitable for other climbing vine fruits. 90 days later, passion fruit seedlings have grown all over the shelf. At this moment, these cuttings and grafted seedlings also soon bloomed, and has already borne a small amount of cyan fruit. During this period, in order to make passion fruit grow better, you can apply some crushed eggshells. There are also organic fertilizers such as vermicompost or sheep manure. The first passion fruit to be touched after 130 days. The skin turns from cyan to red. It means the fruit is ripe. It turns out, potted planting passion fruit can also be fruitful. This passion fruit tastes sweet and sour. Pick it up and eat it fresh. Or making a drink is a good choice. It is the aroma of its fruits. Gather apples, plum, watermelon, pear. Hundreds of fruit aromas, such as grapes. Hence the name passion fruit. As a tropical fruit, passion fruit likes plenty of sunshine to promote growth and nutrient accumulation. Long-term sunlight conditions are conducive to the flowering and fruiting of passion fruit. The ideal temperature for growing it is between 20 and 30 degrees. It is generally recommended to plant cuttings and grafted seedlings in spring, so that you can eat the fruit that year. Because it's winter, it may freeze to death in an environment below 0 degrees. Did you learn it?